Hi children, good morning. I am taking social science class for 7th standard students. Nada Prabhu of Yelahanka. Nada Prabhu of Yelahanka. In previous class you have studied about Nayakas of Keladi, Nayakas of Chitradurga, Nayakas of Surpura. Now today let us study about Nada Prabhu of Yelahanka. Okay. Till here I have finished the lesson. From here I will continue the lesson. Iriya Kempegowda 1532 to 1597. Iriya Kempegowda founded Bangalore city in 1537 CE. He built a fort in Bangalore and started his rule from it. Iriya Kempegowda, he founded the Bangalore city in 1537 and he built a fort in Bangalore and he started his rule from it. He built a Basava temple of Basavanagudi, Someshwara temple of Halsur and extend the Gavi Gangadhareshwara temple. He is credited a building several prominent tanks. He credited building several tanks also he constructed. Some of them are Dharmam Buddhi tank, Halasuru tank, Sampangi tank. Iriya Kempegowda was a devotee of Gangadhareshwara of Shivagange and built several chowtries, agrahars. He also earned the title Praja Vatsala in recognition of his poet's administration. He got a title Praja Vatsala. Next come to Kempegowda II. Kempegowda II was the elder son of Iriya Kempegowda. He was the elder son of Iriya Kempegowda. During his period, Army General Ranadullah Khan of Vijayapura Adil Shahis occupied Bangalore in 1638. During Kempegowda II period, Ranadullah Khan of Vijayapura Adil Shahis occupied the Bangalore in 1638. Hence, Kempegowda II started to rule Magadi and Kunigallu region and made Magadi his capital. Usually the rulers of this family are called Magadi Kempegowdas. This family is called Magadi Kempegowdas. Kempegowda II had marked the borders of Bangalore and built 4 watchtowers in the marketplaces. He Kempegowda II marked the borders for the borders of Bangalore and he built 4 watchtowers in market places. During his region, Bangalore grew a major weaving center. During his region, Bangalore grew a major weaving centers. He built forts at He built forts at Magadi, Savanadurga, Uliyur Durga, Utteri Durga and others. Like his father, he has also constructed new villages, temples and tanks. Kempegowda II handed over the political power of Magadi to his son Kempegowda III. Kempegowda II, he handed over his political power of Magadi to his son Kempegowda III and the power of Kunigallu province to his another son Iriya Kempegowda II. Kempegowda II III in 1641 to 1674 CE constructed the Kempasagara tank in order to tackle drought. ಅವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಕೆಂಪೇಗೌಡ III ಒಂದು ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಕೆಂಪಸಾಗರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರೌಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಹಿರಿಯ ಕೆಂಪೇಗೌಡ II 1641 to 1662 was not only a brave but was also a multi-language academician. He earned the title Nava Kavita Gumba Kumbhavani in recognition of his literary achievements. His queens built agraharas, tanks, and temples in Kunigal and Uliyur Durga. Later, the region ruled by Yelahanka chieftains merged with the Mysore province. Okay, children, see the chronology. Hiriyur Kempegowda 1532 to 1597. Kempegowda second 1597 to 1641. Kempegowda third 1641 to 1674 CE. Iriya Kempegowda second 1641 to 1662 CE. Know this, the watchtower built by Kempegowda II are present in the following areas of present Bangalore. The North Tower, Mekkeri Circle, the South Tower, Lalbagh, the East Tower, Halsur, and the West Tower, Gavi Gangadhareshwara. He have built 4 watching towers. No, where are you? In which place they are? In North Tower, Mekkeri Circle, in South Tower, Lalbagh, and East Tower, Halsur, and the West Tower is Gavi Gangadhareshwara. Okay, children, lesson is finished till here. Now you can see there is a homework. Who is the founder of Surpur province and who is the founder of Yelahanka Nadaprabhu Prabhu dynasty? Write this question answer 2 times. Okay, thank you.